Yes, you're audible. I'm making the session live.
Yes,
Okay.
you are audible.
Okay,
I'm
Sabha,
sorry.
I'm taking. Thank you so much, Hitesh. I'm taking the session live now.
Okay, I'm sharing back the
Right.
post. Right. Yeah, I'll call you personally. I have to
Yeah,
discuss something.
sure.
Okay. Made you the host.
Thank you. Sabha, I'm starting the webinar.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. How are you all? Uh, okay. I'm fine. What about you all? How was your day? I'm also good. Oh, you are excellent, Mr. Sajid. Okay, today we have the doubt solving session dedicatedly for all to solve all your queries related to the content, course, certification, curriculum, anything. So do let me know how I can help you out. I'm fine, Miss Nalini. Nalini. Your name is little difficult for me to pronounce. Yeah, okay. Okay, good to see you. Please do platform API basics. I'm prepared for it. Believe me, I'm prepared for it to do the entire trial unit and along with you all. Believe me. I was like, we are going to get this thing. Oh, congratulations, Karima. Last week you have told me that you're going for AI associate and you cleared it this in a single code. Wonderful, nice. Do we have the reactions? We don't have even reactions. I really sad for it. I'll just react here only. Oh, Miss Smita, yes, the AI for all, like now the Salesforce have started this thing, AI for all. So they are offering the free, like national level, international certification for everyone, right? So, oh, you like the reaction of my voice? Nice. Actually, I'm also planning to go for it, but quite busy to check it out. Last week only I got a hands-on like chance to check out that thing that it's available for everyone and all the things. Okay, you have cleared the AI associate. There are two of the certifications are free, right? Two levels are there. I never got the chance even to read the entire article. I just read that thing, okay, there is something AI which we can do till 2015 December 31st of 2015. So you have 1 year, more than a year. AI specialist is scheduled for 8th of November. Oh, back to back. So, you're a student or you're already working professional, Miss Garima? Sorry to ask you, like, if you're comfortable, you can tell me, or else you can skip the question. Not an issue in that. Oh, so you are on break and you're doing all the certification. Okay. Gearing up to get back into the workforce. Wonderful. Yep. Golden opportunity for you, and you have a lot of time also. But you should enjoy your break. Once you will start again, then again the hectic schedule and all the things. So, uh, okay, no doubts, no doubt. Mom is never on break. No any doubt in that. Uh, okay. Come on, everyone, start adding your queries. Last week, while we working on the Apex testing, I think so, right? One of the level was left. Do you want me to do that or start with the API basics, or what you want me to help you out with it? Do let me know. We'll help you. This is the doubt solving section. Please make it interactive. Please make it interactive. I don't want only one person talking all the time or waiting for your doubts. API basics. What about others? Start with that. That what I just want a quick polling. Let's complete API testing. Okay, fine. Yeah, that makes more sense. Like we are missing on one unit. It will hardly take 5 minutes. I want to know you all are there in the Telegram channel. I'm posting some questions and all. I am not getting any response. Come on, dear. It's not that much bad questions or difficult that you didn't get the chance to even respond to it. It's MCQ, right? Yes, sir. I got it for the first one only, and only one response from you. So I would like to say applause for you. You are the only one who responded to my question there. Otherwise, everybody just ignored me. Such a rude people here. Others are like, put whatever you want to put. We don't know who are you, right? Yeah, you all have done that with me. Now don't say no. One really very, very important announcement for all of you. Poll will be easier, right, Miss Smita? I have tried to check out the poll thingy on the Telegram. I didn't got the option. That is a new platform for me. I will check again if we can add a poll or something. I'll check again for the polling option if we have that option on Telegram. Yeah, sure. Thank you. So sweet of you, Miss Smita. Um, we were working in during the session. We are working on the Apex testing was the module, and if I'm not wrong, create data set for the Apex was pending. I'm missing on a lot of things. Thank you, Mr. Akul. I'll check out after the class. The main aim for putting the questions and all is to like keep you connected with the content and help you out in your journey to complete the Salesforce Developer Catalyst program. This is the main aim. After discussion with my team, we have come to the conclusion that we all will be having around another 1 month, 6 days, you can say, or 7 days in your hand to complete the entire trial head. So we are expecting you all to complete it. Yeah, I'm coming to that only. After completing all the modules, once you finish the modules, okay, the trial mix is completed. We are expecting you all to finish your trial mix by 30th of November. It's a final date for all of you. 3011/2014, 13th of November. Encryption policy, please do that. Okay, yes, Miss Nishchita, I'll do that. 30th of November 2024. Yeah, this year only you have to finish, not next year. 30th of November 2024. If you all are following along with me, most of the part must be clear for all of you. The last couple of modules are only handful things are left. For that, you are getting around 47 days. You can say, no, 37 days to complete it. So whoever finishes the trial mix by 30, 30 November, 30th of November, okay, you will get a chance to get selected for the Salesforce vouchers, which we have discussed in the last class, right? So you will be eligible for that. So from that people, we will find the lucky winners. It's not winner only one people. No, we have lucky winners. Okay, so we will select the lucky winners out of that, and then that person will get the certification voucher. Others will be added to the Salesforce swag group and all the things, right? So there are multiple goodies are available for all of you if you complete this thing by 30th of November. So 30 November is the final date for the completion of your Salesforce Developer Catalyst. Deal? Done, everyone? Thumbs up. And by 2nd of December, I'm there with you all to answer your question, to help you out for your queries, and to assist you in order to complete this trial head and get the skills for all of you. Okay? Yes? Okay. Yep. Done. Once you completed the certification, I got even one message from one of the participants, probably it's from the group only. That participant asked me how we get a future skills certification. So once you completed the course, no, it is auto selected, Miss Garima. Like, I hope so. You can see your progress on your future skills prime, how much percentage you have completed. From there only, we are tracking the progress. So make sure whatever the ID you have registered on the future skill, the same email address you're using for your trial head also. Otherwise, we won't be able to get your data. Okay. So make sure the future skills ID and your Salesforce ID should be same. I hope so it is same already. Wow. How you'll do it then, Miss Smita? How you're keeping the track of your activity? Can you see the course completion on your future skills portal? I don't think so. It will reflect there. Is it? It would be difficult for us then to. I'm having some doubts in Triptija Cloud. Yeah, sure. Mr. Dell, I'm about to say sorry. No, Miss Smita, your trial won't be tracked too. Oh my God. So, Mr. Rakul, where you have registered yourself, how you're attending the session? You must have registered yourself on the Future Skills portal, right? NASCOM. Um, Then I will check out.
Sabha, let me take that question from
Yeah, yeah,
Venkat
please.
Sharma.
That's what I am about to come to you,
Yeah,
sir.
so Venkat, you will be able to see your progress on Trailhead and not on Future Skills Prime as of now. On Future Skills Prime, you get two kind of updates. One is that you have enrolled for the course, and second is once you complete it. The process, I'll tell you, and this is for everyone. The process is once you complete your course on Trailhead, Salesforce uploads the data back to or reports back the data back to NASCOM on Future Skills Prime. And that's how you can see your completion status. However, the progress, how much percentage you have covered in the course, that you can only view on Trailhead. I hope this answers your question.
I have one more question, sir.
Sure.
Like there are a couple of participants, those who are mentioning right now that on the Future Skills Prime they have used different email address, and on the trial head they have the email different account. How they can connect it?
So in this case, since you are yet to complete your course, I recommend you to immediately sign up on Future Skills Prime. Use the same email ID that you are continuing on Trailhead, so that upon your course completion, when Salesforce reports back the data, your data gets synced properly and you can receive your course completion certificate.
But my question is over here, they will get the option to sign in for the cohort one because like these are from cohort one student.
You have
I'm not
the,
sure.
the registration for cohort one was captured on a different page. That was a course, that was a program landing page. So we already have that. Now, since some of the learners are saying that they are using different email IDs, in this case, I recommend all those learners to again sign up on Future Skills Prime. Remember to use the same email ID that they are continuing on Trailhead, not the previous email ID they used to sign up on Future Skills Prime. So that when the data gets
Okay,
reported
so
back,
the
the
cohort
data
ID
can
can
sync.
be different and the this ID can be.
Right. See, for example, if I have
Sorry,
made one Abhishek1 at Gmail, but I'm continuing the course as Abhishek2 at Gmail on Trailhead. Now I need to again go back to Future Skills Prime and sign up as Abhishek2, not Abhishek1. Just forget the Abhishek1 as of now for this cohort. Yeah, Sachin, you have not registered on Future Skills Prime. Please do that ASAP.
I hope so. The regarding the registration and all the doubts are clear.
Raju, your question is, see, the email ID on which you are getting the emails, if it is same as being used on Trailhead, then yes, you can continue. See, it's for everyone. Try to understand the process. There is one email ID that you have used to sign up on Future Skills Prime, and then there is one email ID that you have signed up on Trailhead. Both IDs should be same. In case they are not same, make sure to sign up on Future Skills Prime using the ID that you are using for consuming the course on Trailhead, so that when the data gets reported back, it syncs properly and you can get your certificate. Abhay, your question, I'm not able to see Salesforce cohort in Future Skills Prime. If you visit the Future Skills Prime web page, on top, there are a couple of banners running. The second banner is of career recharge program. However, if you open it, right now the registrations are open for cohort 3 and we are in cohort 1. They are already closed. Yes, Raju, to check your course completion status, how much percentage of the course you have consumed, you can use Trailhead, the link that you have shared.
Once we completed the trial head, I got a couple of queries regarding that also. Some participants, they completed all the super batches and all. So how they can register themselves for the certification from Future Skills Prime, sir?
Sorry, Sabha, come again.
There is a certification from Future Skills Prime as well, right? With the
Right,
minimum fee, they can appear for the same,
right,
isn't it?
right.
So we have some participants, those who have completed their entire trial head. Okay.
Okay.
So how they can appear for the exam? What would be the process?
Okay. So when you visit the Future Skills Prime website and you type the course name, or you can type Salesforce, you will get a list of the courses. Select the course that you have enrolled for and have completed in Trailhead. In the pathway, you will be able to see 4 cards. The last card, if you have not completed the course, it will show as logged. That is the SSC, Sector Skills Council assessment card. It only gets unlocked when the data has been reported back from Salesforce and it is synced properly. That card unlocks, and then you can appear for the 600 rupees exam from NASCOM. Now there is one more certificate that you get before this, that is the course completion certificate. It is a co-branded certificate having the logo of Salesforce and NASCOM. That you will get once you have completed the course and the data has been reported back. It will be issued automatically to you.
So as of now, they cannot access any of the certification or appear for any of the
Just
exam, right?
I'll recommend just wait for few days, as Salesforce is about to upload the data back to us. Once
Uh,
the status gets uploaded or updated, they can appear for it.
okay, fine, sure. So very soon, once the data get updated, you will be able to get your completion certificate also, like co-branded certificate, which is mentioned. That's free of cost. That is just for the completion. The second certificate, you can apply the minimum fee, something 600 or something, as it's mentioned by sir already, and you can get that as well. And if you are completing it before 30 November, 30 of the November of 2024, you will stand a chance to get the voucher for the international certification also, Salesforce. Okay? Yeah, the voucher which yours and swag, first come, first serve. Who complete, they would only be getting the benefit.
Raju, here
Yeah.
I would like to, sorry Sabha, I'd like to take that question. Raju, your focus or everyone's focus right now should be to complete the course as soon as possible. Getting the certification vouchers, of course, I understand it is one of the motivation factors. However, see, the idea is to complete the course as soon as possible so that we are equipped with the with the course content that we are that this whole cohort and all this program has been organized. So I request you to, as of now, focus on completion as soon as possible. Leave it to us how to distribute the prizes and all.
Any other question related to the certification or something you can ask right now, or else we can start with the session. I'll start the session then.
Sure,
Are we
Garima,
good?
please. I'll take the last question. That is from Garima. Please ask.
Yeah. Okay, okay, sure.
Right, Garima. So right now the registrations for cohort 3 are open, and it is for a different course, that is Salesforce Administrator Explorer, and not for Developer Catalyst. If you are interested for that course as well, you're most welcome to register for it.
Hmm.
Now you can
So
take it
those,
forward, Sabha.
okay, yeah. So if you have missed the registration earlier with your correct email address, so now you don't have to register for cohort 1, Miss Garima. You just need to register for Salesforce Developer Catalyst program on the Future Skills Prime. You have that also available. So just register for that simple course. Okay, they will track your progress and then make you eligible for the same and all, whatever the process will be there going ahead. So just whoever have missed the linking the correct email ID, the email address are different.
So Smita, just taking your question, there are no steps to change the email IDs. The best way possible is to use the Trailhead email ID and create or sign up on Future Skills Prime again. That's the only way out as of now.
On Future Skills Prime, don't search for cohort 1. Search for Salesforce Developer 1 Catalyst. You will get it. Okay? And there you can just simply complete the thingies. Let me begin the session. Last class, the unit 3 was left, as if I'm not wrong. And that thingy is for the Apex texting, right? Triggers, we have completed it successfully. So I'm going ahead with the Apex testing. Okay. Just allow me a minute. I'm sharing my screen. Yes, both cohorts are for the catalyst. Need to complete the developer catalyst by Tripti Jha. Yes, that is what we are doing right now in the class also. Come on, where you are, in which world you are. We supposed to complete Salesforce Developer Catalyst version 3.0 by Tripti Jha by 30 of November in the cohort 1 as a part of cohort 1 only. Okay, fine. I'm just checking out for something. Yes, random context is something which was pending from us, which we have to do it, write the test and run it. We have created the test for triggers also. We have created it for test for the class as well. So trigger and class is done. Create the test data for Apex test. So let's continue our testing and then I'll come to your questions. What about them who already completed the trial mix? Mr. Naresh, in which time you have completed? I'll just ask this question. Is it during this cohort or before the cohort only you completed the thing? I hope so my screen is visible for you. Kindly ignore this black bubbles now due to some XYZ reason. Zoom is not able to identify its own panel, its own pop-out. Earlier it used to do. In the last class, the assignment was for all of you to work around the recruiting app thingy. Basics, flows needs to be done. Then approval process was there, if I'm not wrong, and this business process for recruiting app. Recruiting app, I have asked you to complete it since way long. I hope so you all have finished that thing already. Shield encryption API basics, I have asked you, and the platform API basic to give a try if you got time. So if you got the time, you have tried it, you can come with a question. Admins and admins, anybody is having question for admins, tell me. I would love to answer. Apex basic for admin. Anybody who got stuck here? Need help for the same? No, na? Miss Sanjana, really? It's all the entire module is about MCQ. That's why I asked you. The entire module is only MCQ only. What admins will do, right? They just need to understand a little about syntax. I'm not underestimating admins, okay? Fine. Yeah, this is what we were trying to do in the previous session, Apex triggers, where we have created the triggers to do couple of things. Apart from that, we are working on the testing, where we are writing the test to check how good your test coverage is and all the thing, right? Here we have completed the first two successfully, where you have write the unit test for the class, then you have write the test for the triggers. We have to work on create test data for the Apex test. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to the challenge only. Let's read the challenge, try to understand. So they are asking to make a class basically that will give us the context based on two incoming parameters, the number of contexts to generate it and the last name. The number of the contexts to generate and the last name, which common to all contexts. So it will give us all the common last name people, kind of from the same unity kind of thing. Do not insert the generated contact record into the database. We don't have to use the put query. Okay. Test Apex trigger, we have done it in the class itself, dear. Watch out the recording, I'll say. Watch out the recording. I have even shared the link. I'm sharing the link for the answer sheet kind of thing. So cheat sheet basically. Here the code is also given for you. You can copy and paste and run your test. Last session, I've shared the cheat sheet with all of you where anyone can edit. No, but no. Can you? There must be some pop-up must be coming on the screen, so please ignore it for a while because I'm on different screen. No, Miss Ankita. The completion should be in the dates of the cohort dates. That is what I'll say. Here is the cheat sheet which I've shared with you in the last class for question 1, question 2. Why I'm sending it to panelists? My bad. Here we go. I have done all build in Apex, platform Apex for recruiting them. For business process for recruiting app, there is a dedicated module link which is shared with all of you for the recruiting app one. Please do that. Dell, I have shared you the cheat sheet. You can check out the question number 2 from there. that would be helpful for you to answer your query. Okay. Even the question number 3 also I'm going to add there only. So okay. Recruiting app has a complete dedicated different trial mix. Hopefully that's one you will be able to complete it. It's a project. It's not even challenges. I don't think so. You have challenged that. I will share the recruiting app link at the end. Platform apps or APIs. Oh, but yeah, platform app was the one. Okay, let's just finish. Let's just finish this and then I'll come. Do not insert the generated data. Note for the purpose of verifying this and don't specify at the rate annotation for either the class or method, even though it's usually required. We have to make a class. The scope will be public. What it will do, it will help you to get the random context. Okay. Use the static method to constantly generate context with the unique first name based on the iterated number in the format 0 to 1. So the method will constantly generating the random numbers, unique first names. Okay. Method name should be generate random context. Parameter is integer that control the number of contract being generated with the unique first name. Like test 0, test 1, test 2, blah, 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 blah. Right? And then a string, second parameter with the common last name. So this is what we have to do it. We are trying to generate the data over here, data set, right? Test data for the Apex testing. Correct? Now let's launch your, oh, no. Trial head. I'll go for my cohort 1. Launch. Okay. Go to the setup, developer console. I'm not sure whether you will be able to see my developer console. Is it visible for all of you, the developer console? Or it's a blank screen? Blank. Okay. I hate the Zoom now. It starts behaving strange since couple of days. Better? Are we all in? What I usually do here, let me show you one thing. File, new, Apex class, XYZ, okay. Why I've done this XYZ, okay? Because when I will add the code, I will add the correct class name and save it. And that will help me to quickly complete it out. Okay. So the public class is nothing but, let's copy the name, random factory, this, right? It should be random factory. It will have some methods here. I'm not going to type everything. It is going to take forever. It's a little big one. Okay, let me explain you. This is the public class, first of all, random contact factory. It has a simple static method that is generating a list for me. List is of contact. The name of the list is generate random contacts. As in the requirement, we need the integer over there. I named it as number contacts to generate it, number of contact. The string to get the first name from the user. List, which we have defined here, contact list we are making. It's a new list empty for now. I'm using a for loop here and I will iterate it for the entered number. If a user say 5, it will run it for 5 times. Okay, simple for loop over here. After this, I have created a new variable, or you can say object over here, C. What it will do, it will make a new contact. Obviously, we want to make a new contact. First name will come from the parameter, whatever they have passed, plus the space I, because we have to make unique first name. The user said Tom. So what it will do, Tom1, Tom2, Tom3, Tom4, Tom5, like this. Okay. Last name will be contact and then plus I. So contact 1, contact 2, contact 3, contact 4, like this, so on. Clear? Yeah, I will just, I'm just putting the code in the cheat sheet only. I'll paste it there. Once it's create the new, I'm just adding it to my defined list, which I defined it here with the help of add and system.debug so that it will print it on the screen. Right? Finally, I have to insert it into my data. So system.debug the contact list size I'm trying to fetch out. Okay. Then return the contact list. It will return the contact list to me. That's it. Control A, Control C. Make sure without any fail, do save this thing. I've shared the link with all of you for the cheat sheet. In the cheat sheet only, I'm sharing the code. Okay. It is question 3. I've pasted it there. Let me just copy and paste the name of the module which we are doing. Test data for Apex test. Here we go. Test data for Apex test. Okay. So this is what we have to do. We are doing right now. I hope so you all are having the access already to the file. You don't have to worry about that at all. Once you're done with this thingy, just Control S, run it, and check out. It will work for you. So let's run it on the debug window and let's see how it is creating it for us. Test, run all. I got the success here for all of them. Let us see the test. Context today controller test. Test coverage is none. Fine. Let me just debug, open execute window. I'm calling my random contact factory, the class which I've defined here. From that, I'm calling the method generate random contacts. I want to make 3 contacts only with the name of Tom. So I'm expecting it to give me Tom 1, contact 1, Tom 2, contact 2, Tom 3, contact 3, like this. Open log window, don't miss, execute it, debug only. Yep. So Toms are working for me. You can see Tom 0. It's a range, right? It starts with 0, go till one number less. Uh, Contact, last name, blah, 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 entire list together. If you're able to do this, just check for challenge, you will get the points. I will write the debug console code also there. Debug window code. You're just calling your method from the class by passing your required inputs. Simple. Check for the challenge. You'll successfully complete this one. Return type is list. Yeah, I'm getting a list. Show me a thumbs up if you all are able. Share the code. I've shared the code already with you all, dear. I'm sharing this link. Bookmark this link. Till the last day, I will update all the code here only. So you don't have to worry. Just bookmark this link. Why you can't access? It's accessible link for everyone. Look, I click on it, I got it. Testing Apex question 1. It's open for everyone. Test for trigger. Question number 3, test data for Apex test. Yeah, it's updating late, little, but it's working at least. You all are able to access it now, Mr. Muzammil. I'm putting this code also, but you won't be able to copy paste it from the chat. I don't think so. Copying and pasting from the chat works. Last class participant have faced issue. Okay. Others got the points. I got the badge. Woohoo! Apex testing. I already completed that. I wish as many time I solve this thing for the session, I wish I get the points again. If I could get it again, I would be on millions, believe me. Assessment completed. Congratulations. Okay. Now it's time to answer your queries. For the recruiting app, somebody is facing issue. From my end, this was pending, so I completed it. Now, from your end, what you want, you tell me. You all done the Postman one, API, platform API basics, Meghna, Miss Meghna? Okay, fine. I'll just go to Miss Tripti Jha. Till here, we are expecting you all to finish it by the next class. Till testing. Everything should be completed. If you will follow it along with me, then completing this trial mix won't be difficult for you all at all. Believe me. Like weekly you're completing your assignments and all, so it won't be hectic for you. But if you keep it pending, then you may find it difficult and hectic at the same time that, oh, what to do, how to do and all. Okay. Mr. Muzammil, when you Shield platform encryption not able to find. Had to install to API basics. Postman we can do online. I have done Postman online. Online link is working very well. Mr. Venkatesh. SOP UPI, yeah, that you have to install. You completed the challenge. You're not able to see output window. Did you open the debug console? They'll just do one thing. Control S. Do Control S on your screen. It will work. After run all, okay, let me show you all again. After run on, what we did, click on debug, press, click open execute anonymous window, or you can use Control E. Paste this. I'm just calling my method. System debug, I want to print it. What I want to print it? From the random contact factory, I'm calling generate random contacts, and this method required two input, one in the form of integer, another in the form of string. You can pass 1000 here, it will work for 1000 also. I'm selling 10. Jerry, I want Jerry this time. Oh, J should be capital. Control A, Control C. I'm putting it in the chat also for you. Yeah, that thing will get completed because it just checked for your file name and the code, no? So that will complete for you. You will not get error there. But if you're curious to see the output, then do this. Make sure you're doing open log and then execute it. After execution, check out the debug only and you will see I selected 10 now. So it's starting with 0, contact 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the name Jerry 0. All the time the first name is unique, the last name is also unique, and it is returning the list for me at the end after the execution. It is just to see how your class is working for you. It is not related to the challenge anywhere. Okay? If you just, here also if you do Control S, check for your thingy, it will work for you. You will not get any error. Yeah, I've shared that one also. To whom I've shared? Did I share? They'll make sure it is not autosave, so please make sure you're doing Control S. And then go to debug and then open execute window, run, call your method, run it, see the log, check for challenge, you will get the points. Mr. On formulas and validation, you're facing error. That's very easy. Where is that? Which module is that? I don't remember. Validation. Data management, no. Approval process, no. Formulas and validation. Which one you wanted? Formula and validation rule. Create validation rule. Okay. Just have a look. I'll show you very quick. It will hardly take 3 minutes to 2 minutes. What they're asking you to do here. Yeah. You have to make a validation route with the name contact must be in the account zip code. Right? Try to use a fresh one, but I don't have anyone, which is new. Okay, let me just try this. You must have tried in your old one multiple times now. Try to use the new playground. Control C. setup. I'll just close my developer console also. I'll change the playground. Object manager. We have to work on the contact, search for contact. Go for contact. All the way down, validation rule. Oh, look, I already have it. I know that. Okay. What you have to do in this, paste the name of the rule. Contact must be in the zip code, right? The formula is this. Using AND function, not blank. First, you will check whether your account ID is not blank. If it is not blank, then you have to check the mailing code is same as the shipping code or not. If they are same, then only it will allow you to insert the data. Otherwise, it will give you error. I'll just paste this formula into your. Here is a and not blank. Just copy this, paste it here, check for syntax. You will not get any error, definitely. Enter the error message. Don't miss to enter the error message. And then save it. It will work for you. It's very simple. Yeah. It is supposed to be in the contact. You cannot update a contact if account ID is there. So it's supposed to be in the contact phone number. Okay. It's very simple now. You can do it. I'm going back. Formulas and validation is done. Oh my god, I'm missing on something. Okay, I'm coming to Shield platform module. Fine. Quick start. Shield platform encryption. Which one you are not able to do? I could not able to find the encryption policy in setup and manage Shield platform encryption. Which one you are doing? Get started, setup and manage. Oh yeah, setup and manage. Fine, fine. I'll just do it for you. So we are solving the query from Miss Nishchita, where we are trying to do Shield platform encryption, and I'm in the second unit, setup and manage Shield platform encryption. Okay. So whoever is not done with the Shield platform encryption, just come to here. You can do it along with me, and then you'll be able to complete this thingy. Okay. New playground you created for this module. You have to enable the permissions for granting a tenant secret and encrypt the following field listed below. Account should have the billing address, contact should have the name field, case should have the subject in it. I really don't want to make a new new playground. Let me try to do in travel approval. I have done it, but in the different one. Setup, permission set. You're not able to find permission set only, right? So you don't have it. You have to make it actually. You will make a new permission set and then add the information into it. We can name this permission set as key manager or something, whatever you want to name it. Okay. Fine. The API name will also come same. Don't give any license for it. Just save it. Once it is done, now let's add the permission what we can do. So here we have to give it certain system permissions. Edit the permission set here. Okay. Yeah, we have to first of all add the access to the customized action. Actually, you have to complete the previous one only, then only you'll be able to do. Actions. How many actions do we have? Allow access to the customized thingies. Okay. Uh, Customized apps are not coming with. Yeah, customize action, customize. Yeah. So you have to enable the customized application here. So as per your requirement, you can customize your application with the help of this. Then just save it all the way up. Done. Finally, you will do manage assignment. Add it to yourself. My name is coming here. So assign, done. Do. So I have the permission to do it now. Now I can search for key managements here. It was assigned to me, right? Permission set. Key is assigned. It is assigned. I'll just delete it and assign it back. Permission set. We have made a permission set for key manager. The key manager have the system permission that they can do customizing of their app. Customize application. Yep. Manage assignment. Add it to yourself. The chatter is, yeah, this is about, this is me. System administrator. Next, it will never expire. Correct. Successful. Yeah, success. Done. Perfect. Now do key management. I should get the access here. Manage encryption keys. Wait. Where in the permission set? Did I miss that while making? In the system permission. Okay. Key. Edit. System permissions. Edit. JKLM. Manage encryption keys. Okay. Okay. Fine. Stay. System permission encryption key. Okay. So the set is updated now. Now key management. Yep. Okay. Now from here you'll be able to do it. You have to generate the tenant secret. Fine. Now encryption policy. Advanced. Select field. These recordings are available on the portal here. Oh yeah, here I faced one issue while doing this thing. I do remember it for the contact. Uh, in the contact, we have a validation rule. Just I did the validation rule, and that will not help you to update it. So that is the reason they suggest us to do it in a new playground. Now we got it. The reason. So account billing address field should be selected. Account billing address. Fine. Contact name. This will not update. You have to remove the validation rule. Contact name. Case subject field. From the case, go to subject. Fine. I'm trying to do 3. Save. Only 2 will get executed. You will receive a mail also. There are fields currently being enabled for encryption. Receive a mail when the enablement completed. So you'll receive a mail. Simple. Wait for the mail. But in the mail, you can read the error and solve it. How I went into this page, ma'am? What I did, I searched for encryption settings. In the encryption setting, you have the advanced encryption settings. Here you can select the encrypt standard fields and you can go for it. So you can enable the encryption there. You have the policies and all. The first, select the field. It will allow you to select it. But on the contact, we have done something. Uh, it will be there, Miss Meghna. Under the advanced encryption settings. Yep. Refresh the page, wait for some time. You will receive a mail for account and case will get updated easily. But you will get the error for contact because we already have a validation rule. Do it in the new trial. Look, billing address, done. Oh, contact is also done. Fine. Oh, yes, I use the travel approval app. In this, I don't have a validation rule. Yes, that's why it works. But for you, you will get the error if you're using old one. Okay? You will get the error, Miss Nishchita, if you're using old. I use a different one, travel approval app. So in this, I don't having any validation rule. It works properly for me, but it will not work for you if you're using old one. Make sure you're doing in the new one, or else go to contact, delete the validation rule. Contact name updated, case subject updated. All the 3 fields are now encrypted. Check the challenge on the point. No, no, no. I'm checking out, Mr. Rana. Are you getting? Just refresh your look. I got the batch. It is working, Mr. Rana. The main thing which you have to do, wait for some time, refresh the page and check it here whether your account billing, okay, account billing address, then contact name and case subject is checked or not. Usually you will get it for account and case easily. Contact name will not get selected. You will receive a mail with the error. Check out the mail. Read the error message there. Formula module. Mr. Naresh completed. Miss Meghna also done. Which formula module you are trying to do, Mr. Arun? Validation rule. You're doing on contact. What is your object name, Mr. Arun? Contact. I send even the code. No, I don't have it. Not this one. It should work for you, sir. It is just adding the name. Can you go to Object Manager under the contact object? Contact. Check your validation rule. Do you have this? Oh, you will be having one validation here. Check out, do you have it? Completed, Miss Nishchita? Good. Congrats. Um, I also don't know what mail you got it, Miss Arijira. Sorry, I'm not able to read your name. Back to not receiving mail from developer edition, or I am filling the form many times but not getting the mail. Okay. Flow fundamental super batch unit. Sign up for free developer edition with the special configuration. They may be asking you to complete the flow fundamental super batch unit. There is a unit dedicated for it. And there you can sign up for a few developer edition, or I don't have any clue what you're trying to do, sir. Is it related to this trial mix or different one? I am actually getting a lot of requests for the API. I that will take a lot of time, so I first go for API one. SOQL for admins is very simple. Which one you want? Unit 4. Let me check if I have the answer key for it. I will share it with you. Because SOQL for admins is very simple. What error you're getting, dear? For queries with custom object, right? There was a problem. No, this is not the error message. Your trial had some issue or something. It's a connection problem. Your steps are correct, Mr. Arun. Okay. Yeah, it's a trial problem, sir. It is not for your process. Mr. Original, I don't know which one you're trying to do here, so I won't be able to help you out in this. For what you're trying to do, why you're applying for the super batch, sorry, developer edition, or I have what to say that. Um, okay. Mm, I'm going for the shield is done. API basics is MCQs one only. Platform API basics I'm going to do now. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. First one is MCQs, I believe. Let me close all the unnecessary tabs. Fine. Platform API basics. For developer edition, you're trying to put the mail in and you're not receiving a mail. It should work for you when you request it. Usually you get the mail. Try different email ID. Just for a trial purpose, okay? Make a new account on the Salesforce trial hat. Just launch your thingy and try to just directly apply for the developer edition there. See whether you're getting the mail on a different email ID or not. Check your spams. Ma'am. Yes. For platform API basics, I highly recommend you complete this small tiny 2 units. Yeah. Quick start connect Postman to Salesforce. And make sure for your ease. Okay, I'm just giving a suggestion for you. If you have the time, then follow it. On the day when you're doing this module now, on the same day, hand on hand, complete this entire module. REST API and the last one also, pub sub API, bulk API, all this thing. Do it all together. Like, make sure you'll take out the time when you can do these 4 plus these 2 together. You'll be easily able to complete your project. I am ready. So still you are getting error with a different one also, sir, with a different email ID. Everyone, you can follow along with me. Oh, we just have half an hour. You have to actually first set up your org. Okay. You should know your org password and the login credentials. We already discussed how we can do this thingy. I'll just do retake. I know it for my I actually don't remember which one it was. Credentials. Playground starter. To get your login credential. Get your login credential. This is your username. Reset the password. You will receive a mail. Check out your mail for resetting the password. I'm just checking my mailbox. Okay. Reset the password. Not now. So I know my username. I know my password. Oh, you're getting error message. There might be something backend update going on. After fetching out your password, what you have to do? You have to go for cross origin resource sharing. Okay. So simply search for in the setup where I'm doing this thing. I'm doing this in the demo. Okay, fine. I just want to remember the thing. CORS, cross origin. Here, create the postman link, copy the origin, paste it there, save it. You have to make 2 origins. So under CORS, you have to make allow origin list. We don't. No, please go back. No record display, new, path, save, back to CORS. Copy the second link. Origin URL platform. Yep. New. Save. Back to COR. So you need one co and one com here. You are done with this. This is the extra one. Verify, you'll get a point. The screen share is not available. Sir. There are a lot of things, Ms. Nishrita, which is not available in this course trial head, but they are related to it and we have to do it. We will give the feedback to the Ms. Tripti Jha who created this. Okay. After completing this, set up and connect to the Postman. I'm using the online version here. So just go to the, I'm going for sign up. I have the account already. You can click sign in simply here. I have my account with my Google. Oh, recruiting app. This is the difficult one in the, that's why I'm just trying you to help you out with it. You have to make a workspace, new workspace you have to make, Salesforce collection. So you will just click on workspace, create the workspace, copy and paste the name there. Okay, blank workspace, yes, it should be blank only. Scroll down, next, paste the name, Salesforce collection. Okay, only you, yes. And personal only, create workspace. Perfect. Scroll down, create. I will get the error. I already have it. Wow, it worked. I thought I'll get an error. Okay, okay. For the Salesforce collection, you have to go to your workspace. Salesforce developer, correct? You have to fork it. API platform. Salesforce platform API. Fork the collection. Click on the name, fork, create a fork label, copy it. My Salesforce fork. The workspace name we just created, Salesforce collection, fine. To that only we have to fork it, add it, this guy over there, fork the collection. That's it. Mhm. Fork collection. Once you'll fork it successfully, you got the Salesforce API, platform API into your workspace, Salesforce collection. All the APIs are there with you. Now you can work it out. Now you'll be able to solve the things. Um, um, no environment is already there. Authentication tab. This authorization, auth 2A, yes. We have to generate a token. Get new access token. Get new access token. Allow the pop-ups if the pop-ups are disabled. Yes, sir. It's a webinar. In the webinar, you will not get the option to share the screen, to unmute yourself. You can just watch it and use the comment. How come you all are getting issue for the validation rule? Just allow it, asking for the permission, authentication completed, proceed, use the token. The token is ready for you. Check your instance name and then copy it from the link. So the instance URL is playful moose. Yes, this is my account ID. Control C. Keep it with you. The token is created for you. Copy and paste it into the use a token. URL, we just got it. Oh, in the variables you have to paste it. URL, it's already there. Endpoint. Endpoint. In the endpoint row, current value column, paste the instant value. Yeah. Endpoint, current value, paste the token which you copied it from there. Save and run. Save. Save. Now let's try to connect it. Rest, get limits, and we are in this Salesforce platform APIs. Rest, get limits, send 200. Okay should come. So server has responded successfully to this. Uh, Yeah, the setting also you can change it here. Settings. Under the settings, automatically follow the header, authorization header, turn it on. Now the account. This part now, we will do it in the challenge only directly. What they are asking you to do. If you want, you can complete it here also. No need to worry. Post an account, rest as object, post object, create. So in the rest, we have to go to S object. Yeah, S object, post, because we have to add it in the parameters. Um, values account. We are trying to add it. The object name is account. In the account, we have to add a new record. Name is postman, CA. You can write anything, whatever you like to do. Body, control A, control B, name, postman, billing status, CA, save and send. You will get a successful message, save, send. So it will return you the ID. This is the ID. Success is true, no error. I don't know if you're able to see it, the output. Mr. Arun, 30 is the deadline for the participants. So to make yourself eligible for the goodies and all thingy, you have to follow that thing, unfortunately. And that's the reason only, considering everything, it's cohort 1 has got, you all got a lot of time. September 15, October 15, November 15, then 30th of November, right? So that's the reason. So we got the create option. You can check for challenge here. You will get the point. Okay. If you want the data got updated, you can go to account. Okay. And then postman. I got the postman's new account name here successfully. Keep this thing open in the post as object only. Just change the body. You will complete your platform basics API challenge. In the challenge, what they're asking you, create a new record with the name is Blackbeard's Coconut Milk Emporium. Copy this, change the name here. I want this. I don't want to pass this. I want to pass the details. Oh no, it's description. I thought it's a detail. Description. Copy and paste it. Did I press the finest coconut seeds? Fine. Save. Send. Again, I got the status true with different ID. Right? It's working. You can check for challenge. That's why I told you all, just do hand on hand both the things together. I got it. Blackbeard's Coconut Milk Emporium. You'll get the point also here. So if you're completing the other trial head, you will complete this one also easily. Use bulk API 2.0 challenge. Yes, yes, yes. I know. Abort a job request and use the instruction provided. This module, you get the error. Why? You know that just bulk API 2.0 now. Here, when you, I'm doing this thing. If anybody is interested, do it along with me. I'm skipping SOAP for now. I'm going for bulk API. It is very, very easy. Extremely easy. You have to create the job, upload the job, close the job. Okay, 3 things you have to do here. Bulk V2 folder, we have to go here. Bulk V2, yeah. Bulk V2 create job. This is, I also face this issue which you are facing. Create job. The post method should be selected. Okay. Yeah, this thing now, line ending. What we do, there is an conflicts over here for Windows and DOS user. It should be CRLF, carriage return followed by line fit. Okay, and Unix, Linux, and OS X uses LF, line fit. Correct. So when you copy this script and paste it into your CSV body form over there, at that time you get the error. Do one thing. Don't define the line ending only. Delete line ending from here. Go to body. Object and operation is given there. We will copy this. I'm first of all creating a job here. Okay. Post create job. I'm in the body right now. Control V. Delete this. Let the system take its own. It will take it on its own. Okay. Save, send. Save, send. 200 OK, check. I got the ID here. Keep the ID with you. If you want to check it afterwards, you can copy and paste it. Create, upload, close. Only 3 steps you have to do here. Now my creation is done. Now I will upload it. To add the data, we have one CSV file given here. Just download this bulk to HOC data. Yes, Vaishnavi, Miss Vaishnavi, others are also facing the technical issue while requesting for the developer edition. I will check. We will raise this request with the Salesforce and let them know because of this error, our participants are not able to complete the super batches. But yes, super batch completion is mandatory. They will fix it. Thank you for bringing it to notice. I'll say I got this request from one other participant also. So we will raise this concern with the Salesforce. They will check out. Okay. Just download this CSV file. Create is done. Upload job data. Go to upload job data. body, binary, file, new file, local machine, open, bulk, V2 HOC data, done, save. Then finally, you have to send it. Yeah. You can check it here in the header. It should be CSV, text CSV. Yes, it is. Send 201 created. Okay. We created the job. We uploaded the data. We have to close our abort right now. But before closing, what we can do? Yes. Application or JSON, we have to try to abort it. Status uploaded completed should come for you. You can go and even cross check it before closing. I'll suggest you, yep, bulk data load. Just go to bulk data load in your setup and check it out there. Bulk data load jobs. What is the status is coming? The status is open. Fine. This is the ID. 7:44 I've started. Status is open. Bulk V2. Insert. Account. Fine. Don't abort it from here. Yes, Miss Smita. Everybody is facing it's from the Salesforce only. That's what I'm telling. So we will raise this request. We have other also Ari Jerla. Then we have Miss Vaishnavi also facing the issue, and Miss Smita, I think so you are also. So we will raise this request. Let's close the job here. Already uploaded completed. We are getting here uploaded completed, right? So what we can do here, simply go to headers. Application type is JSON. Just send it. Send. Done. 200. Okay, we are getting successful. Fine. Bulk data. Refresh your page. You should get successful now. It should not be. Yes. Job completed. That is just because of that one line code which you faced the issue. Just delete it. Let the system take it on its own. Job completed. Now just you can check for challenge. You will get the point, and now you have to delete the job also. You can go and check the header here, content type, the application body. You can close your job. Then check the status of your job. Bulk data, it's inserted. Job completed. We closed it. We check it. Job results also, you can take it. Successful records, or get job successful records. You can send it and check it, how many successful you got it. So all these are done successfully. Failed records, send. This is only name. Unprocessed record, name. Only one is not able to. Fine. Failed, yep. So our thing is done. You can check for challenge. You should get the points. Related to postman, only 2 units are there. The middle one is about different. It's not rest. one or the bulk one. Yeah. Woohoo. So we completed unit 1 is MCQ, unit 2 is Postman. Bulk API is also that using the Postman only. So we completed it. Stop is left and then PubSub. PubSub is MCQ. Oh yeah, it's MCQ. So only SOAP is left. SOAP APIs. You have to install it. And it's very lengthy. I don't like this level. Give a try for this level. You have to just follow the steps from the beginning. Everything. 1, 2, 3, endpoint. Update your XML file there. Password reset, and be careful with the token number. Your username, your password, and the token number should go together here. Try to do it. If you still won't be able to do it, I will help you then in the next class. This will take a time. Uh, in reset limit, okay, you completed, like if you go to and check out your bulk data in the setup, are you getting the job successful done here? Like I can see here at the end the message that this is my ID when I created the job, right? Job completed. Progress is 100%. Record process around 500. Record it, uploaded. You're getting the status, Miss Sanjana there. I'll show you one thing. Those who are getting error for the validation rules, do one thing. Open your YouTube. No, don't make Diwali. Search for Future Skills Prime. Okay, Future Skills Prime. They have their official channel here. All the sessions are live on YouTube right now. Also, this is cohort 1 is on live. Go to live option. Check out the recording, please. Cohort 1, cohort. Please read the name first. Okay. Cohort 1, and then cohort 1. All these are for cohort 1. So validation rule, we have done it in the cohort session itself. It wasn't the doubt solving session. It was the trainer lead activity. Please check out here. And today also, whatever we have done, I know I have done it little hurry quickly, the last 2 modules with the APIs. Check out the recording. Yes, Miss Arijela, you are facing that issue while applying for the developer edition. Miss Vaishnavi is also facing this issue. Miss Smita also facing the same issue. So that is not something wrong from your end. It is the backend process which is going at the Salesforce end. We will inform them that the participants are facing issue while they are applying for yes. So you're not receiving the mail or the confirmation mail, or they are not able to create their org account, right? Basically, developer edition. So they will resolve it. We'll raise this query. 87% you completed. Okay. So basically only the super batches are left for you, right? What are the super batches are done for you, sir? You have the time till November 30. Just give me some time. Probably by the next class, I'll come with the answer. I'll just raise the query to the Salesforce and let's see what you're getting. Miss Vaishnavi and Miss Smita, can you also share the error message while you're applying for the developer edition, or what is the messages coming or the mail you have received? Can you please put it in the chat? I'll just send forward the same thing. Temporary technical issue. This is only it's coming like it is coming as the on the screen or on your mail. You are getting a notification. May just copy the mail, ma'am, and put it in the chat. You have it by any chance, or you deleted it? Thank you. The email account is not monitored. Your message will not receive a reply. Okay. Thank you. I will just send it with my team. I'll just pop out. Let me copy it. Um, I'll just send it with my team. They will look into this. It's a technical glitch from the Salesforce, so I can't do anything in it, but I'll raise a request. I've done REST API and the bulk API. Try to do SOAP API as your task. From today's session, your task is to work around. Let me quickly show you the assignments, which you all can work around. I'll just leave it. I'll be sharing the screen. Just allow me a minute. Let me open. Try to complete till the SOQL for admins. Triggers and testing we have done. So when you come for the next class, I'll be doing asynchronous Apex and then integration service and the super batch. So yep, only 3 modules are left from my end. The remaining is going to be your self-study. So accordingly, start working around it. You have the deadline till what we say. You have the time. Next class, one recruiting app. Your screen is not shared. Oh my god, you have to work around Dell 36% only. You have to work a lot. At least complete the modules, and all super batches are to very long way for you. But at least complete the simple modules. Follow along kind of thing. By the next class. I'm just saving your messages, whatever your error you're getting. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. The next class we have it on. I have to check the schedule. Such a busy person now I am. Let me check. Cohort 1. We have one more on 28. Yeah, it's on Monday. You're correct. It's on Monday. 28th of October, Monday, trainer lead activity. 5th November, trainer lead activity. Monday again, doubt solving. Then 2 trainer lead activity. 27 would be the last session for the trainer lead activity. 2nd of December would be doubt solving session. But you all are having till November time. Okay, November 30th. Recruiting app, I'll try to answer your query in the next class, because next class we have just one module to do. So after completing that, I will help you for the recruiting app. You have my words. Make sure while coming for the next class, you are done till here. Apex testing. Everything should be done. Okay? Clear? Till Apex testing, everything should be done by the next session. Oh, you already done that? Then for what you need the help? Which module is remaining? From the recruiting app, na? I will help you there. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. I will help you in the next class. Because now the time is up. I have to go for other session also. While inserting opportunity requirement, you cannot check your work. Make sure opportunity can be inserted in this org and click the check challenge again. If continue, that's all like that. What is this error is for, where you're trying to insert the opportunity record? Miss Mita, asynchronous and the integration service, I'll be doing in the next class. Validation rules are creating for the contact, not for the opportunity, if I'm not wrong. So you don't have to customize a Salesforce object. Okay. They'll do one thing. At least watch the recording and complete the thing, whatever I have done in the class. Follow along one. So it would be more than 37% definitely. Okay. At first, complete the one which we have done it in the class. Okay. Before coming for the next class, Apex testing. Till here, all the modules should be done. Okay. Yep. So this is it from my end today. We'll see you all on Monday. Thank you for showing your patience and keep interacting all the time. We'll see you again on Monday. Bye everyone. Take care. Enjoy your day. I'll try to take some queries on Monday also. We have small module to complete on Monday. Okay. Bye everyone. Thank you.